All right, welcome back, guys. So we're working on my 2017 Highlander XLE. Uh, we are about to replace the OEM bulbs with the HID bulbs. I got the whole kit. So it comes with a set of front, low beam, high beam, and my fog lights as well, So we're gonna go ahead and replace them. So it's a very simple job, honestly. So this is this gray box right here. That's for the low beam. Same for the other end. You have the other box. You're gonna take the bulb out, and then you're gonna just swap them the bulbs, and then you should be good to go. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do that step by step. All right, guys. So just to show you, here's my kit. High beam, low beam. I'm sorry, fog light, high beam, low beam, right there. So this whole set cost me about 60-70 bucks. I got them from the eBay, so it has a lot of high reviews, so I went for it. So once again, just to show you, here's this gray box right there for your low beam, and then you're gonna remove this lid, the cover, pull out the low beam out, and same on the other side right there. As you can see, this gray box right there, here, and you're gonna swap out the bulbs. It should be a very simple job. Again, I'm gonna just get my gloves on, and then we're gonna go ahead and start swapping the bulbs out. And here's the other bulb right there. That's for your high beam. Okay, all right. And then the last part would be we're gonna have to get under the car to swap out the fog light bulbs, which is one of the H11. Okay, all right, stay tuned. So since we added, I will just go ahead and knock out the high beam first, which is right here, right? All you want to do is just turn anti-clockwise like this to the left, and you're gonna have to just make sure you can see those triangle slots right there. So you just have to pull it out. It's kind of stuck in there. Here it comes out, and then you can release the bulb or remove the bulb by pressing this button right here, and then pull the bulb out. So I'm gonna need both my hands to pull this. So once you pull this out, then I have my new HID bulb ready right here. This is 9005 HID. I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out. I'll be right back. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I removed the bulb. I installed the new HID bulb right here. It's 9005 HB3 in other case, if you want to know the other term. So you just got to make sure you order the right part while you're doing it. Otherwise, if you get the wrong bulbs, you're really gonna waste your day, and then you have to wait for it till it arrives. So now you can go ahead and insert it. As you can see, you just gotta go into slots right there, and then you turn. Oops, wrong one. And then you just turn clockwise, and you're good to go. Here it is. Now we have the wire connected already. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a quick test, and I will make sure that my bulbs are working fine. Next thing we're gonna go to is the low beam right here. All you want to do is just turn this cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Once this cap is out, you have your bulb inside right there. You just want to turn anti-clockwise and pull this low beam bulb out. Oops, really giving me a tough time now. There we go. So this is your H11 low beam bulb, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same process. Unclip it and then swap out the bulbs, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's my new H11 low beam bulb right here. I already connected with the adapter. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert it in and turn to the clockwise position, and we are all set. All right, guys, so since we have completed the process, moment of truth, turn it on. Okay, so both of them are working. As you can see, these are my OEM bulbs. Of course, now we have HID bulbs installed. All right, awesome. Work well done. We're gonna go ahead and finish swapping out the bottom fog light bulbs. We should be good to go. Give us a thumbs up. All right, guys, so now we are on the passenger side. This is my high beam right here, and right behind this reservoir with that gray lid right there, that's the low beam. So first thing first, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do anti-clockwise here and wiggle a little bit and pull it out right there. And once you're done with this, excuse me, press this clip button down right there, the clip, and then you pull the bulb out. Slide it out, and then easy way, slide it in with a new bulb, okay? I'm gonna need both of my hands to swap out the bulb. I'll be right back, okay? All right, guys, so the bulb being swapped, as you can see, is connected. This is my new HID bulb right here. Now we just wanna go ahead and put it back in. So you slide it in there like this, right? And then you just want to make sure it sits right first, and then you turn clockwise, and you are good, well and secure, right? Now what we want to do on this side, we want to go ahead and remove this gray color lid. I hope you can see it. Is just turn. So you have to do anti-clockwise. Oh gosh, it's tight. All right, so let me go ahead and use my other hand, but I'm gonna turn this anti-clockwise and then remove this lid, and so we will have good and clear access to the low beam. I'll be right back. All right, guys, that thing was like really jammed up. So as you can see, I removed the lid, and this is our low beam bulb right there. I hope you can see it right there with the green tag on it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn anti-clockwise gently, and then we can take this bulb out right there. Right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna need both my hand again, sorry, but I will remove this bulb and then slide in, of course, unplug it, plug the new LED bulb, and then slide it back in there. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you. All right, so here's my new LED bulb. As you can see, it's connected. We just want to go ahead and slide it back in their slot, and I just gotta do adjustment on this. Just bear with me. I'm gonna need some room. Honestly, can't see it. Let me use my camera. All right, so since I can't see it, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to give up the camera so I can go ahead and secure this bulb right way, and I'll be right back. Please stay tuned. Thank you. All right, guys, you can see the new HID bulb is installed in both places. On the left is the low beam, on the right is the high beam. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid back on it, and then we are done from here. I hope this video helped you. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Be a part of our community. I would highly appreciate if you share your opinions or your experiences in the comment section. It always helps to learn how did you do it, or how did you overcome your challenge, or something new that you have done, or how was your experience with the equipment. I still have to do the fog lights, so I will continue and make a separate video on that, and look forward to that video. Thank you. All right, guys, as you can see, the results are amazing and awesome. So both of the lights are good. Both bulbs, low beam, high beam, being swapped. Excuse me. And honestly, they are very good when it comes to the results. I'm very happy and pleased with the bulbs and quality. I'm gonna go ahead and make another separate video for the fog lights, and I will show you how to swap those bulbs out. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you. All right, guys, time to go ahead and swap out the bulb, the OEM bulb with the LED bulb for the fog light. So I'm under the vehicle. Most of the time, people will go ahead and remove this entire shield, which is unnecessary and waste of time, or go around, remove the wheel, then the wheel well, which is really unnecessary. So if you just remove this two screw, one here and the other one here, it will give you leverage, and you can push this, and you will have access to the bulb right up there, and you can just again turn anti-clockwise and remove the bulb, and then install the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two bolts. you can use 10mm socket, or you can use a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, to remove them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use my gun quickly and remove them. As you can see, this is the first time anyone opening it. So much of dust coming out. All right, so since it's removed, as you can see, it gives me access, and I can just reach in to the bulb. And let's turn. Let me just turn this quickly. All right, I'm gonna need other hand. Actually, it's kind of really jammed in. I'm gonna have to use my right hand to turn it. However, this is how easy and fast way you can have access to your fog light bulb and swap your bulb out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so took the bulb out, and this is my new bulb that we're gonna go ahead and install into the fog light area. So like I was saying, all you gotta do, unscrew these two bolts and then push this lid up, okay? And you have clear access. Let me just show you right there. As you can see, you have clear access to it right there. First thing, I'm gonna go ahead and push the bulb in, then we're gonna connect the connectors, and we are good to go. All right guys, just to show you, I installed the new bulb, and now we're gonna go ahead and connect these connectors, and we are good to go. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you. All right guys, as you can see, I'm done. I also changed the fog light, which are HID now. I'm sorry, LED now. And both sides looks amazing and great. I'm very happy and pleased with the results. So remember, like I said earlier before, you don't have to remove the wheel or the wheel well in order to have access to these fog lights. You can just simply remove the couple of screws at the bottom and then have access and leverage to your fog lights. All right, please like and subscribe. Be a part of our community. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.